Alright, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter. This particular vehicle is a 2016 GMC Sierra. In the dash, you got screws you need to take out. Alright, after you remove these top two screws, underneath there are two more. That removes your glove box. Now inside behind your glove box you have a little plate right here. It's got little clips on top. Pull those two clips off, removes the cover. Behind that is your disgusting cabin filter. That's why you should replace your cabin filter. I don't know when the last time this one was replaced, but that's pretty dirty. I like to look inside, make sure there's nothing more debris in there. I have found acorns in those before. Alright. On the filter, it will show you airflow, which way to point the air filter. You have an arrow pointing. You can see that. Slide your new filter in. Put your cover back on. Put your glove box back in. Alrighty, that's how you replace the cabin filter. Thanks for watching.